Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of solid wood projects for modern living spaces. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Crafting solid wood projects for modern living spaces combines the timeless beauty of natural materials with contemporary design principles, resulting in unique pieces that enhance both functionality and aesthetic appeal. One of the most compelling ideas is to create a solid wood dining table that serves as the centerpiece of the dining area, inviting family and friends to gather around for meals and conversations. A handcrafted dining table, made from high-quality hardwoods such as oak, walnut, or cherry, not only showcases the rich grain and texture of the wood, but also embodies durability and longevity. Artisans can experiment with various designs, from sleek, minimalist tables with clean lines to more elaborate styles featuring live edges that highlight the organic shape of the wood. The tactile experience of a solid wood table fosters a sense of warmth and connection, making dining an intimate affair. By incorporating features such as extension leaves, the table can easily adapt to accommodate larger gatherings, blending practicality with elegance. This blend of style and function allows homeowners to create a welcoming atmosphere that encourages connection and togetherness. In addition to dining tables, crafting solid wood coffee tables can provide a beautiful and functional centerpiece for the living room. A well-designed coffee table can serve multiple purposes, acting as a surface for drinks and snacks while also providing storage solutions. For instance, a coffee table with a lift-top design can reveal hidden compartments, perfect for stowing away magazines, remotes, or blankets, helping to maintain a clutter-free environment. The choice of wood and finish can greatly influence the overall aesthetic of the coffee table, allowing artisans to match it with existing furniture and decor. A rustic coffee table made from reclaimed wood can add character and charm, while a modern design in a lighter wood finish may contribute to a fresh, airy feel in the space. The versatility of solid wood allows for creative expression, enabling artisans to incorporate unique design elements such as geometric shapes or mixed materials, further enriching the living space. Another captivating idea involves creating solid wood shelving units that provide both storage and display options. Open shelving made from hardwood can add a touch of sophistication while allowing homeowners to showcase their favorite books, plants, and decorative items. The natural beauty of solid wood creates a striking contrast against modern decor, making it a perfect choice for those looking to incorporate warmth into their space. Artisans can explore various configurations, such as floor-to-ceiling units or freestanding bookshelves, to create visually engaging features that enhance the room's overall design. By utilizing different wood species and finishes, they can craft shelves that not only serve a functional purpose, but also act as a statement piece in the home. The ability to personalize these shelves with unique shapes or integrated lighting can further elevate their appeal, creating a dynamic display that reflects the homeowner's personality and style. Dear viewers, are you enjoying our today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Creating solid wood accent walls is another innovative way to incorporate woodcraft into modern living spaces. A feature wall made from reclaimed or new wood can transform a room, adding texture and depth while creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Artisans can experiment with various installation techniques, such as shiplap, tongue and groove, or even geometric patterns, to achieve different visual effects. The choice of wood finish can dramatically impact the overall look, with options ranging from natural stains that highlight the wood's grain to bold colors that make a statement. A solid wood accent wall can serve as a stunning backdrop for furniture and decor, drawing attention to the space and providing a sense of warmth that contrasts beautifully with cooler elements often found in modern design. This approach not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of the room, but also fosters a cozy environment that feels both stylish and inviting. For those looking to enhance their organizational capabilities, crafting solid wood storage solutions can be both practical and beautiful. Items such as wooden cabinets, sideboards, or storage benches can be designed to fit seamlessly into modern living spaces while providing ample storage for everyday items. A solid wood sideboard, for example, can serve as a stylish piece in the dining area or living room, offering both storage for dinnerware and a surface for displaying decor. The rich texture of the wood combined with thoughtfully designed hardware can create a cohesive look that complements the surrounding decor. Additionally, incorporating sliding doors or drawers can maintain a clean, streamlined appearance while allowing for easy access to stored items. This attention to detail in both design and functionality ensures that these pieces not only serve a purpose, but also enhance the overall aesthetic of the space. Creating solid wood lighting fixtures can also elevate the ambience of modern living spaces. Wooden pendant lights, floor lamps, or table lamps can serve as artistic statements while providing essential illumination. Artisans can experiment with various designs, from minimalist styles with simple lines to more intricate designs that incorporate elements of nature. A pendant light made from reclaimed wood can add warmth and character to a kitchen or dining area, creating a cozy atmosphere for meals. The interplay of light and wood can create a warm and inviting atmosphere, transforming the living space into a cozy retreat. By selecting the right finishes and styles, these lighting fixtures can become focal points that enhance the overall aesthetic of the room. The organic feel of wood combined with the functionality of lighting creates a harmonious balance that enriches the living experience. In the realm of smaller items, crafting solid wood home accessories can add a touch of elegance and functionality to any room. Items such as wooden trays, coasters, and candle holders can be beautifully designed to complement modern decor while serving practical purposes. A handcrafted wooden tray can be used for serving drinks or displaying decorative items, while a set of coasters made from solid wood can protect surfaces while adding a natural touch. The warmth of wood in these accessories creates a cozy environment, inviting relaxation and comfort into the living space. Personalizing these items with unique finishes or engravings can enhance their appeal, making them thoughtful gifts or cherished additions to the home. The tactile nature of solid wood adds a sensory element to these accessories, enriching the overall experience of living in a beautifully curated space. Creating solid wood furniture pieces that adapt to the needs of modern living is also a rewarding endeavor. For example, designing a convertible sofa table that can transition from a console table to a dining height table can provide versatility in small spaces. This innovative piece not only maximizes functionality, but also showcases the artisan's creativity and craftsmanship. The use of solid wood ensures durability, while the thoughtful design allows homeowners to enjoy a piece that meets their changing needs. By focusing on the principles of modern design, simplicity, functionality, and beauty, artisans can create pieces that resonate with contemporary lifestyles, making them valuable additions to any home. Incorporating plants into modern living spaces can be beautifully complemented by solid wood elements. Crafting wooden plant stands or wall-mounted planters allows homeowners to showcase their love for nature in an aesthetically pleasing way. A multi-tiered plant stand made from solid wood can create a stunning vertical display, drawing attention to the vibrant colors and textures of various plants while saving floor space. Artisans can explore different shapes and finishes to ensure that the plant stands harmonize with the overall decor while adding a natural touch to the environment. By bringing nature indoors, these wooden elements foster a sense of tranquility and well-being, making the living space feel more inviting and connected to the outdoors. The combination of greenery and solid wood can create a harmonious atmosphere that encourages relaxation and mindfulness, enhancing the overall living experience. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked for solid wooden craft projects ideas for home styling and selling. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.